Hi guys, welcome to Garden Specialist channel. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to harvest the seeds of winter plants. This plant is Helichrysum or the paper flower, straw flower, everlasting flower, and these seeds are in the middle of the brown part. You open the brown part and you will get the seeds. These are this brown part are the wings for dispersal, so you have to open and you get the seeds. These seeds are attached to this part, and see, these black are the seeds, and they are tiny elongated seeds, not tiny, but these are elongated, very slender, these seeds, and you just collect them, harvest them, and keep them in an airtight paper bag or a polythene lock zip bag, and you can just collect these. Next is osteopermum or the African daisies. They are beautiful flowers and their seed collection is also easy. When the flowers fade away and the calyx region or the sepal region starts making seeds, and when the seeds are green, then you don't have to just collect them. When they turn brown, see, these are the ripe seeds. When they turn brown in this sepal part or the calyx part, you just have to harvest them and keep them in a place where there is no moisture and light, and keep in a safe place, either in a cardboard box or any other box. You can keep them safely where there is no light and moisture, and these seeds are big enough that anyone can grow them easily in a loose and cocoa peat and sandy soil, loose soil. You can grow them very easily in end of the September, and these are brown black seeds and large enough and to grow them easily. And the next plant I'm going to tell you is garden nasturtium. The seeds come in triplets, and these seeds are they come in triplets, and when they mature they just fall down the plant, and you can collect them, or you can shake the plant and collect the seeds. The seeds which are mature, they will just drop off, and you'll collect them and you air dry them. When they turn brown, light brown, then you can just keep them safely. The next plant is calendula flowering plant, and the seeds, it gives seeds in huge quantity. Flowers and seeds come in huge quantities, and as the same way as in osteopermum or in African daisies, the seeds are big enough. They are C alphabet shaped or the horseshoe shaped, and you can collect them easily. When the calyx part grows the seeds and it turns brown, these are green ones, and when you have to search for the brown ones, when they're ripe, then just you can harvest them. It's the same way as the osteopermums, and you can keep them safely for the next season to grow the same calendula flowers from the seeds. And you can just give them to your friends also. You can distribute them, because in one plant you can get so many seeds in one single calyx. You can you can get so many seeds that you can just give it to your neighbors, friends, and you can grow many plants. The other plant is petunia. See, this is a seed pod. It is green in color. You have to search for a brown seed pod, and when you get the seed pod, you just cut open, or just you split the seed pod, and you will get the seeds. These are the minute black seeds. I'm going to show you. This is a brown seed pod, and these are the minute seeds, black seeds inside these pods, and they can grow easily in a loose soil. In September you can just make them grow, and they'll grow very well in a loose soil. And these seeds are so minute, you have to just sprinkle over the soil loosely, loose soil. You have to sprinkle over the loose soil, and you'll get the seedlings. This is now viola pansy plant, and you have to search for brown seed pod. This seed pod is browning, and it is when they brown they just burst open and the seeds are packed inside the seed pods, and you can see they are so well packed, as God has packed them so well that they look so beautiful when you open the seed pod. They are, or when the seed pod burst, they are so well packed. I'm going to show you how they are packed in the seeds. Wait, I'm going to show you, and I'll show you. These are the seeds packed in the seed pod, and they are so well arranged, and you can keep them safely and grow next year again. The next plant is snapdragon or the Antirrhinum plant. It is also called dog flower. The seed pods which turn brown and just they just have a hole, then you can just harvest them and you can get the seeds which are like petunia seeds. They are minute seeds and black in color like petunia, but they grow very easily, and you can grow them in a loosely bound soil and they will grow very well.